I don't know DSA deeply. I know some basics. I have solved a few easy questions and I have learned the theory part. But when it comes to solving the problem, it becomes difficult. I don't know how to convert logic into code properly. I never followed a structured path. I just solved random questions and hence I did not get the result which I wanted. So this time I'm not solving random problems. I'm going to follow a structured roadmap, that is Striver's A to Z DSA sheet, topic by topic. This is not my first time starting Striver's sheet. I have started it before, but I didn't continue. That is why I took this challenge of 150 days DSA so that I can be consistent. Today is my day 1 of 150 days DSA challenge. Today I started with time and space complexity. In past I thought I understood this, but understanding the definition is not same as applying it. In interviews, solving problem is not enough. They ask us to optimize it. And if you don't understand complexity, you don't know what to improve. Right now, I am not aiming to feel productive. I am aiming to be consistent.